Okay, so you finish a long Claude Code session, like hours of work. You type exit, and your terminal scrollback is just gone. Wiped. Like the last hour never happened. Yeah, there's a one-line fix for this, and it shipped quietly 2 weeks ago. Most people I've shown this to had no idea. So here's what's actually happening. Claude Code by default runs in something called the alternate screen buffer. Same trick that Vim, HTOP, and less use. The terminal saves your old screen, gives the app a fresh canvas, and when you quit, it restores what was there before. Clean handoff, right? Sure, until you realize everything Claude printed during that session, the commands it ran, the file edits, the test output, the reasoning, none of it is in your scrollback anymore. You can't scroll up to copy a command. You can't grep your shell history for that one bash one-liner Claude wrote at minute 40. It's just gone. Honestly, that used to drive me up the wall. The fix is one environment variable, Claude _code _disable alternate screen equals 1. That's it. Set it before you launch Claude, and the whole session runs in your terminal's normal screen, your default buffer, your scrollback, your selection. So when you exit, every command, every diff, every reply Claude gave you is sitting right there. You can scroll up. You can copy a multi-line block. You can grep the whole session. The transcript reads exactly like a regular shell session, and this isn't some hidden trick someone reverse-engineered. It's right there in the official Claude Code changelog, version 2.1.132, open source. So you don't have to take my word for it, that's the line, straight from Anthropic's repo on GitHub. Now, fair warning, there's a reason alt screen exists in the first place. With it on, Claude Code can repaint the screen cleanly, the spinner doesn't fight your scrollback, and the full screen UI feels stable. Turn alt screen off, and you trade some of that polish for scrollback persistence. Things still work, just you might see the prompt jump a little, or text scroll past in places where it used to redraw in place. It's a workflow choice, not a strict upgrade. So decide which you'd rather have, pretty redraws, or a session you can scroll back through tomorrow morning. If you want this on for every session, drop one line in your shell RC file. Bash users edit.bashrc. ZSH users edit.zshrc. Add export Claude _code _disable alternate screen equals 1. Save, reload your shell with source, and from now on, every Claude Code session leaves a full transcript right there in your terminal. For me, that's the killer feature. Half the time I want to look back at what Claude did 3 hours ago, and now I just scroll up. That's it. That's the whole post. We're going deep on Claude. Grow with us. Like, subscribe, comment what you think.